So it's back.
All right.
But for a limited time only. That's probably a phrase that most of us have heard probably a couple times since the late 1980s. Well, since 1985, the McRib has been a source of intrigue and fanaticism for customers, and a lot of that is due to the fact that it is only available randomly. So that begs the question, should we add the McRib to the permanent McDonald's menu? My name is Corey, this is Nelson, and we are Team McDonald's.
And we're missing our third member. But
Hey, right, sir.
So today we're going to talk about our management decision, our research problem, and then go straight into our questionnaire design. From last time, our management decision is, should McDonald's add the McRib to the permanent menu? Our research problem was to determine consumer purchase intentions for the McRib.
What we plan on doing is designing a questionnaire. What we're trying to measure is the purchase intention of the consumer for the McRib. Our target audience is going to be the student body here at ORU. A couple of the sample questions that we want to ask is obviously the demographics. First, are you male or female? And second, what age category do you fall under? 0 to 18, 19 to 22, 23 to 25?
After we do some of the demographic questions, we want to go straight into questions related to McDonald's. So questions like, or I guess as the fast food industry as a whole too, how many times a week do you eat out? How many times a month do you eat at McDonald's? And what reason best describes why you choose to eat at McDonald's? We're planning on putting answers on that, like it's cheap, it's fast, it's convenient, stuff like that on the answers. So after we do questions related directly to McDonald's, then we want to do questions directly related to McRib. So questions like, have you ever eaten a McRib sandwich? I have a if no, skip to the last question option. We'll get to that in a second. Second question, when the McRib is on the menu, how many times do you eat that a month? On a scale of 1 to 10, I found out this wasn't a very valid question, so never mind. Have you ever gone to McDonald's looking for the McRib but found it wasn't on the menu? This is kind of related to our MD, should McDonald's put the McRib on the permanent menu? If the McRib was permanently on the menu, how likely would you be to purchase it over other items on the menu? I thought that really went well with our RP as well. And this is related to question number 1. What is your reasoning for never trying the McRib? We wanted to just kind of see why, if they never had one, what the reasoning behind that was. And that's our presentation.